The National Electrical Code, or NEC, doesn't explicitly define what constitutes a fountain, but Article 680.17 provides guidance regarding the installation of submersible pumps in submersible equipment enclosures for fountains, swimming pools, hot tubs, spas, and similar installations. A pond pump installed in a similar manner could be considered a fountain. NEC Article 680.22 states that submersible circulation systems for fountains shall have ground fault circuit interrupter, or GFCI, protection. This requirement applies to submersible pumps used in fountains, regardless of the voltage or number of phases. It can be challenging to find three-phase GFCI breakers. There are specialized manufacturers that produce such devices. Siemens offers three-phase GFCI breakers under their Centron brand. If a three-phase GFCI breaker cannot be obtained, consider alternative GFCI protection methods. Firstly, line-to-line GFCI. Install a two-phase GFCI device that interrupts the power to all three phases if a ground fault occurs. Secondly, three-phase GFCI relays. These devices monitor the current on all three phases and trip the breaker if a ground fault is detected. To address the situation, firstly, contact multiple manufacturers to inquire about three-phase GFCI breakers. Secondly, consider the use of line-to-line GFCI or three-phase GFCI relays as alternative GFCI protection methods. Thirdly, consult with a qualified electrician to determine the most appropriate solution for the specific installation. It is always essential to consult with a licensed electrician and refer to the latest NEC requirements when performing electrical installations.